Today, gumawa ako ng relaxing soap na inspired by nature. This is a lavender-scented soap with French clay and colloidal oatmeal and activated charcoal. First, niready ko muna lahat ng tools sa soap making. Important ang tamang measurement kasi bawat ingredients may role para makagawa ng magandang quality ng soap. Habang minimix ko ang mga oil, unti-unti ko ding dinadagdag ang French clay para sa beautiful color and silky feel soap. Then, nag-add din ako ng colloidal oatmeal for gentle touch naman and activated charcoal para sa rich and elegant look. And then, the final touch is the calming lavender scent para magkaroon ng relaxing spa-like feeling habang ginagamit ang soap. Then, after i-pour sa mold, hintayin na natin itong mag-set bago i-unmold. Then, kailangan din natin itong i-cure para maging ready gamitin. So, every bar is a handmade with care and love. And this is the final result.